Welcome to today's video. In this quick guide, we're going to break down two important control systems in automation, the PLC and the traditional relay system. First off, what's the difference between a PLC and a relay system? A relay system uses mechanical switches to control the flow of electricity, while a PLC is a smart programmable controller that automates complex processes. With a relay system, you need to wire and rewire your components whenever you want to change the process. It's manual, it's time-consuming, and it's less flexible. Now with a PLC, it's a whole different game. The PLC can control multiple inputs and outputs through a single program. No need for rewiring, just reprogram the PLC and you can control as many devices as you want. A PLC works with input/output I/O modules. The input modules receive signals from devices like sensors, and the output modules send signals to devices like motors, valves, and lights. Here's a real-world example. Imagine we have a motor that we need to start or stop. With a relay system, the process is manual and relies on physical switches. But with a PLC, it's automated. The PLC receives an input from a sensor and sends a signal to the motor to start or stop based on that input. So, why choose a PLC? Well, it's more flexible, more scalable, and far easier to maintain. Plus, it offers real-time control and can be easily reprogrammed for different tasks. The future of industrial automation is smart, and it's all thanks to PLCs. One of the greatest advantages of a PLC is its ability to control not just one device, but multiple devices at once, whether it's motors, lights, sensors, or more. With just one program, you can manage an entire production line, making industrial automation smarter and more efficient.